In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Robinhood investing accounts so that you can start growing your money using the stock market. Now, I'm going to show you myself actually depositing money because I want to start investing some more money. So you'll see me walk you through that step by step. If you have any questions throughout this whole video, please leave them down in the comments below and I will answer every single one of them for you. If you want a free stock through Robinhood worth up to $200, then use my link down in the description to open up an account. Once you fund that account, you will get one free stock worth up to $200. I actually got a free stock of Facebook, and my buddy the other week got a free stock of Microsoft, so it's possible to get very expensive stocks for free. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up your Robinhood investing app. And there's two ways to do this, or a couple different ways, which I'll walk you through right now. So the first way is you can hit the card down there at the bottom left, and then you can hit the transfer button right here to go ahead and transfer. That's one way to get to this screen. I'll show you another way to get to this transfer screen as well. So we're going to hit X, and then you can also go to the little person down there at the bottom right. Now right here is where you can press the transfers button right there. And this takes you to the same exact screen. It's just two different ways to get to this screen, which is what you're going to want to know. So the first way is you can schedule automatic deposits. So if we click on that, you can schedule these automatic deposits based on a recurring schedule. So maybe monthly, maybe weekly. That way you don't have to come in here every however often and deposit money or press the deposit money into Robinhood. So this is the one way. We're going to hit X out of this at the top left. The next way is you can set up direct deposit. So what this is you can deposit money directly to your Robinhood account. So if we click on that, this is actually going to be from your paycheck through work. So if we say you get a paycheck of $1,500 every 2 weeks, but you're like, I want to deposit it all into Robinhood, then you can do that. Robinhood does have a debit card, so technically, you could use Robinhood like it's your bank. If you haven't done it yet, please do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button. But this is how you would do that. You would hit continue, and then you can choose to set it up online. So I believe you can log into an account if your employer has something where you can log into your account. I believe you can do it through Robinhood's app, or you can get a pre-filled form to handle it all. Now the next way, which is how I'm going to deposit money into Robinhood, is what I'm going to show you next. So we'll hit back. We'll hit the X. Now I'm going to transfer to Robinhood at the very top there. Press on that. And I'm actually going to deposit, let's say $3,000. Now I can change my bank right there to the right. I already have mine linked up, so there's really nothing to change, but you can add multiple bank accounts if you really want to. X out of that. And if I wanted to, I could also set up automatic deposits down there right below where I typed in the 3,000. So you can handle that from this screen as well. So I'm going to go ahead and review this. And the funds will be deducted from your bank within the next several days. I believe it takes about 3 business days to get deposited. But there's something to know when it comes to Robinhood. So I deposited $3,000. But I don't want to wait a couple days to get some of that money to start investing in. I want to invest it now because there's something that I want to buy. So I'm going to go ahead and submit that. So of that $3,000, it kind of gives you a breakdown of what the steps are, right? You can start earning interest and the deposit will be complete on September 9th. Now of that $3,000, let me hit continue. I have $1,000 instantly available to me right now to start investing. So that's how Robinhood does it. So if you deposit any amount above $1,000, then you can actually have control of that initial $1,000 of that total amount that you decided to deposit, but you do have to wait a few days to get the rest of that money that you wanted to deposit into the account to start investing it. So they hook you up a little bit there. Now you do want to make sure that you have the money in your account, so when they go to try to pull it from your bank account, it's actually there, or else you're going to be in bad standing with Robinhood. And if you want to continue investing using their app, you just want to make sure that you have the money in your account. Don't try to pull one over on them because you're going to kind of burn yourself in the end. And plus, all of your money is in the app anyways, so it's like they won't let you withdraw it. So it's better just to have the money in your bank account so you don't run into any issues. So I'm going to go ahead and hit done. And then as you can see, if I go back to the main screen, I actually have over $1,900 ready to be invested. I did have $900 and something, so it's automatically deposited there. So I'm going to go ahead and start investing in some stocks. If you're ready to start buying stocks using Robinhood, watch the top video next. If you want to see my playlist with all of my Robinhood investing how-to videos, watch the bottom playlist next.